Hello, everybody. Welcome to my course Build Serverless Apps on AWS. And in this session, we're going to talk about on infrastructure as a code or IAC for serverless application and why it is essential when working with serverless application at scale. And this session will also help you understand the mindset and the practice that you can take your deployment from fragile to bulletproof. So, what is infrastructure as a code? So, it is simply means using code to define and control your IT infrastructure. Instead of manually clicking around in a console, you write a script in YAML, JSON, Python, or JavaScript. So, this makes your infrastructure repeatable, reliable, and automatable. So, why IAC matters? Without IAC, every environment setup is a manual process. So, this leads to error, inconsistency, and delays. With IAC, the same script can be spin up in dev, test, and prod in minutes. So, that gives a consistency without any mistake. Benefits of IAC, the benefits are very much huge. Replicability across environment, easily collaboration with your team, and version control and better change tracking. And you can also speed up the development, scale faster, and also the reduce bug. This is like an example, here you can see how a lambda function can be defined in CloudFormation YAML. Instead of hunting through the console, you define it once and reuse it forever. Coming to tools for AWS IAC, so AWS provides multiple IAC tools, CloudFormation, SAM, and CDK. There are also third-party frameworks like Terraform. The important thing is not which one to pick. It's like that you use one, whichever you feel comfortable. And why CDK? So we will be focusing on AWS CDK because it lets us, define the infrastructure in real code like Python or JavaScript. So this makes it feel like, natural for developers and fits right into the existing development workflows. IAC in serverless. So it's like a great example of why IAC is essential. Deploying a Lambda is not just a code, it also needs IAM roles, event triggers, and permissions with IAC. Also, like you can define that, like all that in one place. So, key takeaways are like infrastructure as a code is not just, like optional in serverless, it's a fundamental practice that, like it makes your infrastructure consistent, reliable, and scalable. And importantly, it's a mindset shift. So, in upcoming session, we're gonna do hands-on with AWS CDK. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions or feedback. Let's keep learning together. Thank you.